Mobile phone repair and setup, a strong opportunity for young Liberians. Many, perhaps most, households in Liberia now owns at least one mobile phone. Phones are used for communication, mobile money, business, learning, and family connections. Yet many people do not know how to fix simple problems or set their phones up properly. This creates a powerful opportunity for young Liberians who want to work for themselves. Mobile phone repair and setup is a skill you can start small, grow steadily, and practice almost anywhere on a street corner, in a market, at a taxi park, or from home. OneLiberia.ai can help. What this work really includes: you do not need to be an expert on day one. Many customers only need help with basic issues, such as replacing broken screens or weak batteries, fixing charging problems and dirty ports, setting up WhatsApp, Facebook, and email, clearing storage and speeding up slow phones, helping people use mobile money safely, recovering contacts and photos. These small services add up to daily income when done well and honestly. How to start with limited money? You can begin with very few tools. A basic toolkit, perhaps a power bank, a clean workspace, and patience are enough. Start by practicing on old phones, helping friends and family, and learning from free videos or local mentors. As your confidence grows, reinvest small profits into better tools and spare parts. Where the customers are, your customers are everywhere: students, taxi drivers, market women, shop owners, elders, and small business operators. Many people prefer a nearby, trusted repair person rather than traveling far or buying a new phone. If you are polite, careful, and fair with pricing, customers will return and recommend you. What builds trust and stable income? Success in phone repair is not only about fixing devices, it is about trust. Always explain what you are doing. Never rush repairs. Protect people's data and privacy. If you make a mistake, be honest. A good reputation is more valuable than quick money. Growing beyond repairs: as your skill improves, you can expand into phone sales, accessories, data setup for businesses, and basic digital services. This can become a full-time income or combine well with other work. Final encouragement: mobile phone repair and setup is not about luck, it is about learning, patience, and respect for customers. If you start small, practice daily, and protect your reputation, this skill can support you steadily through 2026 and beyond. Your hands, your mind, and your discipline are enough to begin today. Take care. Repairing mobile phones can be a good business. Stay safe.